In this video, I'm going to compare before and after photos. And the point of this video is that photos can be better. We can help you with that. This is Kenneth Purdom with Real Estate Photographer Pro, and we can help you with editing your work, or we can help you with creating the marketing content. And I'll give you examples of both. So our website, just want to make sure you have that information, is realestatephotographerpro.com. realestatephotographerpro.com. My name is Kenneth Purdom. That is me right there. Our contact information is on every page of the website at the very bottom. You can call us, you can email us, and we will help you. We will help you with creating the marketing content, the website, the blog, the social media post for a project. We have all of that, and we can deliver most everything we do the next day. There are some marketing videos we do that take three days or more, but most marketing content, photos, promotional videos, social media posts, property websites, we are delivering the day after the photo shoot. This is an example of a photo we did yesterday. Here is the before photos. So I'm not showing these photos to say they are bad. I'm just showing that we could have taken these photos that the agent did and we could have cleaned them up. We couldn't have gotten them up to this level, but we could have improved them. So these are photos that we did. We went through and shot the home yesterday and then delivered the content this morning. And you can see the difference. This is what they had. We'll go in. But even these photos, we could have edited these, but I'm not sure if they needed that or thought about it. But if you're in a situation where you're having to do the photos to save money, save time, we couldn't get there the day you're in another state, maybe that we don't service. We have done projects all over the country. We can take these photos and edit them for you and create a website, create a blog, create a slideshow, create the social media posts so that you have all the marketing content you need. Like if, for example, in this photo, we would have done sky replacement. We would have boosted the shadows, greened the grass in just a little bit, not fake grass, but we would have brightened up the house, greened the grass, and replaced the sky. And then if you are doing real estate photos, you really want to keep your phone at landscape. I'm assuming this was a phone because of the way they're holding this, but you really want to keep it in landscape mode. There are some narrow hallway, bathrooms that probably need to be done but that's a good photo, especially for social media. That angle is good. That we could have leveled and straightened this up, brightened up the colors, and but that one should be landscape, definitely. So, but here is a project we did it's Jasper, Georgia. So the real estate agent did the photos, and we took and cleaned them up and then turned them into a slideshow. That one was very dark and very unlevel. Now some of these are unlevel because they're trying to show that roof, and then this animal clinic had a very expensive custom floor, so they're trying to show that. We could have leveled that one up, but it would have taken out what they're actually trying to take a picture of, so we didn't. Now that one's level, straight. It was very dark. Now it's bright, clean. The colors are correct. That almost looks like a professional photo at a glance. There's really nothing wrong with it. So this is an animal clinic that is shut down and they're selling the property. So I think, I'm sure the agent took the photos and they had drone photos, and then interior, exterior photos. And we cleaned all those up, created slideshows, created a marketing video, and they were ready to go. That one, the original photo that was very dark, kind of like you were seeing on the house a few minutes ago, the sky was very gray. The front was very dark. So we brightened up the front of the animal clinic and changed the sky. You want bright blue skies with white clouds in every photo because it's psychologically positive. Blue and white is a positive selling color. So you want that in there, and it's natural. That looks natural. That is the reason for doing sky replacements. So check us out, Real Estate Photographer Pro. We can help edit your work. We can go out and do the project for you, and we deliver most of our marketing assets the next day. Thank you.